A free $1,000 free funded account is what you'll be getting from this video, and I was able to claim it. You can see it right on the screen. I already placed a trade, which is already running. The last time I talked about this platform, I actually just posted them on my Twitter account, asking people to go and claim it, but due to the traffic, they had to stop it. Now it's back, and you'll be able to get it if you quickly follow the process, which I'll be explaining in this video. To be able to get it, you'll be having access to this bonus right here. Sure, a lot of us are familiar with what I do right here in this channel. We share updates on how people can get a free non-deposit bonus, free funded account most of the times. And in the Telegram channel, if you join, there's a link in the comment section. You click on to join the Telegram channel. Once you join, immediately you get your withdrawal. You share updates to the Telegram channel, and there you see testimonies of people who have traded and have been able to make withdrawals from free non-deposit bonus. Now that's one thing a lot of you don't know, that you can actually make withdrawals from trading no deposit bonus, free profit accounts, and stuff like that. A lot of withdrawal proof are available in case you need testimonies to actually boost your confidence in this. Now, without wasting time, like I said earlier, there's a link in the comment section. You click on it. That link will take you to the Telegram channel, where you'll be seeing the link to the platform where we'll be getting this free 1K from. Now, I want you guys to go straight. Don't waste any time. Just go straight. Claim the bonus before the traffic starts coming up. Claim the bonus and get it. Now, all you just need to do, once you click on the link, it brings you to this platform right here, having details just like this on the screen. And we know, as usual, firstly, we'll be asked to submit our details for registration. You can see right here, you're asked to fill in your first name, your last name, and every other necessary details you are required to fill. Now, once you're done filling it, you click on these little boxes right here to agree to their terms and conditions, and to also agree to their captcha, which means you're not a robot. Now, once that is done, you click on sign up. You sign up into the site, and then you're brought right here. You can see it says thank you for signing up, and you are brought right here having details just like this. Now, you are just required to complete just 3 tasks, 3 simple tasks to get the account. Now, firstly, you are required to verify your email address, which is very important. You know, every single firm would always ask you to verify your email address. Now, you click on it, and a message will be sent to your email, which you'll be using. You just need to go straight to your email and click on the email. That's what you use to verify your email address. And secondly, you need to add your WhatsApp number. Now, I'm sure almost all of us are using WhatsApp, so you just add your WhatsApp number, and then a code will be sent to your WhatsApp. The code is what you copy, bring it back here, and you use it to verify. You just copy the code, come back here to use the code to verify, which is very simple. Now, the last time I made a video about this, due to the traffic, a lot of people didn't actually receive the code. So in case you try getting the code, in case you try requesting for the WhatsApp code and you don't get it, then you need to wait till tomorrow, like very early tomorrow. Just wait till the second day and start very early before people actually start requesting for it. You start very early and request for the code again, and surely you will get the code. Now, once you get the code, in case you try getting it and you get the code, just copy the code, bring it back here, and use it to verify. Now, lastly, you are required to complete a trading survey, asking you some details about your trading aspects, your total net worth, and every other, very simple questions, which it won't take you more than 2 minutes to complete the survey. And once that is done, you'll be having access to click on this right here that says claim my free challenge. You can see it right there. So once you click on this, immediately, without wasting time, you're not required to submit your documents to get the bonus. You are getting the bonus immediately. You click on this right here that says claim my free challenge. Now, once you click on it, you can see details about the account shown on the screen. And a very quick one, let me actually review details about the account. Now, firstly, you can see right here, this says credentials. This is what you click on to get login details to your MT5, to the login details of the account to your MT5. Now, you can see right here, it says voucher code, and you can see it says switch platform. Now, I haven't gone through those ones because I don't have the time to actually start going through that. Now, the next thing you see right here that says trading objective. Now, you can see the minimum trading days, which is, now you can see, the minimum trading days is 5 trading days, the target. That says five trading days. It must mean 5 trading days. And you can see the profit target, which says $100, which means you are required to make a total profit of $100 additional with the free 1K which is given to you, and the maximum daily loss, which is minus $30, which means you're not allowed to make more than $30 loss in a day. Now, once you make more than $30 loss, it means the account has been breached and you have to, find your way to another bonus. Now, you can see the maximum loss, which says minus $60, which means once you make minus $60 loss, the account has been breached totally. No reset, nothing. And that's it. Now, you can see that's quick information about the account, and I'm sure everyone understands every single explanation I just made. Don't miss out on this. And the next thing you just need to do, which is very, very important, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, your colleagues who are also interested in getting information just like this. It helps a lot. And also, have a nice day.